What is up, YouTube?
Hi guys, we have McDonald's today.
It's finally here. The Chicken Big Mac. Today's the first day that it's supposedly out. This video maybe will go up tomorrow, but we're trying it. It says, it doesn't. It says on the box. Oh, it
It's just right there.
Oh, okay. So it comes in just a normal box. It doesn't say anything. We also got one of the regular Big Macs just to kind of compare. Which one do you want to try?
You would pick.
But this thing's got a lot of hype, so we'll see how it is. It's apparently just the Big Mac, but instead of beef patties, they're chicken patties, which look like similar chicken to maybe they're...
Looks like a nugget, a big chicken nugget.
Yeah. It kind of looks like, what would you say that? It's like the, is it hot and spicy, or is that bigger?
Kind of like the hot and spicy, I think.
Yeah. It's not a, I mean, it's kind of a decent piece of chicken. So we'll see how this is. I mean, it's got a lot of hype, so.
Hopefully it's
Here
good.
we go. You want to try yours? Regular
Big Mac
chicken Big Mac.
Chicken Big Mac.
Let's see what tastes better.
Definitely a lot of lettuce like used.
Mm-hmm. So the customer service there, not great.
Non-existent.
Yeah. But they had it, so I'm not complaining too much. The chicken is a little kind of hard on these.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
This is good as usual.
Actually, it tastes pretty good. We have a few fries. Good. Yeah, this chicken's like, I wouldn't call it crispy. I would just call it like, almost like it's been out a little bit.
Oh, really?
It's not super fresh tasting. It's getting a little bit better. It's just like that corner. No, that's right.
Sure.
Very messy.
Very, very messy.
It looks about the same size.
This one comes in like a smaller box. I don't know if it's necessarily smaller.
Yeah, the regular Big Mac is in a smaller box. I've never seen that box that they gave us that.
That's it.
It doesn't say anything on it.
No.
Regular Big Mac?
Chicken Big Mac. I got like 10 pickles.
Oh, it's probably because I didn't get any. I mean, I have to kind of do this review a little bit with a grain of salt, because just from what I could see from that McDonald's, they didn't have, we've been to this McDonald's for other reviews. They didn't have their stuff together today. I don't know what was going on. But I already like the regular Big Mac better.
This tastes like just like a big chicken nugget to me.
I think that's how their chicken tastes.
Yeah, I guess, right?
The regular Big Mac. Better.
I think, yeah, the regular Big Mac's better.
It's obviously the same sauce.
No. I mean, it's thick.
Yeah, the patties, the chicken patties are thicker than these little tiny burger patties. So that's a plus.
I mean, if you really want more food, then I think you'd get this. But I think that one tastes way better.
Were they the same price? Did we lose the receipt? I thought the chicken Big Mac was only supposed to be $5, but
They're the same.
they're $6.79,
$6.79 each.
and then the rip-off of the small fry for almost $3.
Everything came out to $17.59.
Is it worth the hype?
I would say not.
I mean, you pretty much know what you're getting. It's a Big Mac with chicken.
Well,
The patties do seem decent sized for their chicken patties.
mm-hmm.
I mean, this is as messy as it gets, honestly. There
Yeah.
couldn't be more saucy lettuce everywhere.
I would say if I was gonna get a Big Mac, I'd get the regular, old school.
Mhm. Those patties do seem like they got smaller though.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, McDonald's. I don't know.
What do you give it?
Give it one more bite. The cheese is actually pretty good. I guess cheese isn't on the whole thing.
I don't think it's on the top one on this one either.
Oh,
It's
no.
just on the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Bottom slice. The fries are always good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
The fries might be the best part. I gotta go with a 6.5.
yeah. Might say 6.
Nah. I was hoping it'd be better. Regular Big Mac was 7.5.
Yeah.
I
Same.
wish the patties were a little bit
Bigger.
bigger. The pickles are all bunched up on top of each other.
I think it was
It's
just
way
this,
too messy.
this McDonald's. Just does everything quick. Well, not even quick because it took forever, but
They
They're
do
just
everything
rushed.
slow, but it looks like they're rushed.
yeah.
Yeah, I'd give the fries an 8.5.
Yeah, same here.
So that's the chicken Big Mac. I mean,
Here you go. There you have it.
it doesn't have a ton of flavor, honestly.
Mm-mm.
The chicken itself has like no flavor.
Everything is a sauce, and there's too much sauce, I think.
Mm-hmm. I can't taste enough of the cheese. So that's it, guys. I mean,
I'd say if you don't get it, you're not missing out on anything.
yeah, but try it.
Try it, though.
Try it. Maybe you're,
Maybe you like it more than us.
yeah, maybe
Or they make it better at your McDonald's.
that's what I'm thinking. It's worth a try. I mean, it's
Something new.
$7. It's pretty, it's that size.
You want any more?
No, I'm gonna hold out. So, hopefully that helped you guys out. You're probably gonna hear a lot about it if you haven't already.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for watching.
And thank you for liking and subscribing.
Yes, please like the video. Let us know if you've tried it. If you think that's not even food. If you think it's good, if you think it's better than a Big Mac, I don't think it's even really in the same ballpark.
Maybe we should try it again from a different place. But who knows?
Yeah, we'll let you guys know. We'll leave a comment
If we do.
if we end up at another McDonald's and we're totally wrong on this review. So thanks again for watching.
Thank you.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.